Hey there, money savers. Welcome to our channel where we make saving money a piece of cake. Today we're diving into one of the most common areas where we can all save a few bucks, our grocery bills. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 easy ways to save money on groceries without sacrificing taste or nutrition. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, plan your meals and make a shopping list. This simple step can save you a ton of money by preventing impulse purchases and ensuring you only buy what you actually need. Before heading to the grocery store, take a few minutes to plan out your meals for the week. Write down the ingredients you'll need for each meal and make a shopping list based on that. Stick to your list while shopping. This way you won't be tempted by those tempting but unnecessary goodies. Tip number 2, compare prices and shop smart. Different stores may offer varying prices on the same items, so it pays off to do a little research. Check online ads, compare prices, and consider shopping at discount stores or local farmers markets for great deals. Remember, don't be afraid to go for store brands or generic products. They often have the same quality as name brands but at a lower cost. Your wallet will thank you. Tip number 3, bring your reusable bags. Not only is this an eco-friendly choice, but many stores also offer discounts or rewards for bringing your own bags. It's a win-win situation. Tip number 4, embrace the power of coupons. Coupons are a fantastic way to save money on groceries. Check newspapers, online coupon websites, and even your grocery store's app for digital coupons. Clip them, organize them, and use them strategically to get great discounts on your favorite products. Tip number 5, embrace meal prepping. Taking some time on the weekends to plan and prepare your meals for the week can be a game changer when it comes to saving money. By cooking in bulk and portioning your meals, you'll not only save on groceries, but also avoid those last-minute takeout orders. Tip number 6, get friendly with your freezer. Freeze leftovers, fruits, and vegetables that are about to go bad. This will not only help reduce food waste, but also give you easy access to ready-to-use ingredients whenever you need them. Your freezer can be a money-saving superhero. Tip number 7, sign up for store loyalty programs. Many grocery stores have loyalty programs that offer discounts, special promotions, and even free items. Sign up for these programs and take advantage of the savings they offer. Tip number 8, hydrate with water. Skip the expensive sugary drinks and opt for good old-fashioned water. Not only is it healthier, but it also saves you money. If you crave a little flavor, try infusing your water with fruits or herbs for a refreshing twist. Tip number 9, use money-saving apps. There are plenty of apps out there that can help you save money on groceries. From cashback apps to price comparison tools, these apps can make a significant difference in your overall grocery budget. So be sure to check them out. Tip number 10, avoid grocery shopping when you're hungry. Believe it or not, going to the grocery store on an empty stomach can lead to impulsive and unnecessary purchases. So make sure to grab a snack or a meal before hitting the aisles. Your wallet will thank you. And there you have it, my friends. 10 easy ways to save money on groceries. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to putting some extra cash back into your pocket while still enjoying delicious and nutritious meals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.